It's back to school season, babes. And what better way to make a grand entrance than with a cute Korean makeup style? Whether you're a key beauty enthusiast or just curious to try something new, keep watching this tutorial. That will have you feeling like a K-pop star in no time. If you're hungry for more cool makeup tutorials straight from Diane, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So what are you waiting for? Thank you so much for joining me on this makeup tutorial, besties. I hope you're feeling and looking fabulous with this new look we've created. Now it's time to hear what you have to say. Comment down below with any thoughts.